This section of the video, we're going to be working in the Creator Studio, which is actually a new section that YouTube has created, and they've kind of taken a lot of their editing tools and put them in this, what they now call a Creator Studio. So there's a couple ways to get to it. If you click on the menu in the top right of the corner, you can actually link to it. Or if you were at my channel already and you were kind of customizing your channel a little bit, there's a link to it here as well. Now, I will say that the Creator Studio, parts of it take you back and forth from the new interface of YouTube to the old, and the navigation isn't always great. So there are going to be times where you're like, how did I get here and how do I get back to the Creator Studio? So if that does happen to you, just remember that you can always click up here and click Creator Studio and kind of get back that way, because you'll find as we're going through this that you may need to do that. So in the Creator Studio, you have your dashboard, which basically is giving you some analytics of your videos. This is showing me my latest videos that I've uploaded. Currently, I have 219 videos. And then it also gives me the number of views, number of subscribers. You can change this page to show anything that you want. So if you want to add different items on your dashboard page, you would just click on Add Widget, and you could say, you know, maybe you want to add the comment section, like any, so that you can have a quick view of any comments that were left on your videos. So whatever you want to see here on this page, this is kind of just like a quick overview for you as what's going on with your video channel. The meat of what we're going to be working on here is in the Video Manager. So we already talked about how to upload a video, and you've hopefully maybe uploaded at least one video, because now what we're going to be doing is taking a look at playlists. Now, I've already created several playlists here. I currently have 11, and they're all listed. And I can go ahead and edit individual playlists by just clicking on the edit button. And so these are videos that are now part of my playlist, but I'm going to scroll down. I can edit my entire playlist by clicking on the edit button right here. So first of all, I can play all my videos just to look at it if I want to. You can go back to your playlist settings. You can say, oh, this is a public playlist. You can actually have videos automatically added to playlists. So for instance, let's say I subscribed to someone who puts out a weekly video, and every time they put a video out, I want it to go into one of my playlists. You can set up rules for that, and so videos are automatically added to your playlists. I personally don't have anything automatically added, but it is something that you can do if you're interested in. The other thing you can do is add collaborators. So this is kind of nice if you kind of team teach with a teacher and maybe you both are creating playlists and you want to be able to add videos to each other's playlists. So you can actually invite collaborators and send them a link so that they can add videos to your playlist. Okay, I didn't really make any changes, so I'll just hit cancel. If you did, hit save. If I want to add videos to my playlist, I would just click add videos. And I can search videos from YouTube, so I can get any video I want. Let's say that I've found something on YouTube for teachers. Let's see what else, see what comes up. Okay, so here's the whole thing about how English teachers are using it. So if I want to add this video, I would just click on it and say add video, and now that is now part of my playlist. Now, playlists, you can add as many videos as you want, and you can reorder the videos in your playlist. So if I want this video to be the first one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say move it to the top. And I actually want this one at the bottom. So you can kind of move your videos around that way. You can also click and drag them in any order you want to. So if you decide whatever you want, you just have to move your mouse all the way to the left-hand side of the screen. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Let me head back. Also under more, you can add notes to them, or you can set any one of these videos to be the thumbnail for your playlist. So right now, this video is set as the thumbnail, but maybe I actually want this one Sure, I'll make this one the one. Didn't mean to do that again, sorry. So I'm going to hit more and I'm going to say set that as the thumbnail. So now my playlist called Teacher Help has that. Even though it's not the first video that will play, that's the thumbnail or the little icon that will be next to the playlist if people find it and search for it. These three little dots give you more options as well. So first of all, I can delete my entire playlist. You could translate your playlist information to a different language, or you could take all of these videos and add them to another existing playlist that you might already have. So maybe you're going to combine playlists. You can do that this way, and then all of these will be copied into the other playlist as well. So that's the basics of creating a playlist. And of course, you guys remember that you can add any video to your playlist. It can be something that you've uploaded or something that someone else has created out there on YouTube. At this point, I want you guys to actually go ahead and create a couple of playlists. And when we come back, we'll talk a little bit more about what other things we can do in the Creator Studio.